Hi everyone, this is Jalissa. Welcome back to my channel. Today I have this giant Christmas cone, the fur one, and some coasters. If you're interested in seeing how I made them, keep watching. Give me a thumbs up. Subscribe if you already haven't subscribed. And leave me a comment and let me know what you think.
Christmas DIY, you're gonna need some yarn. We have this navy blue yarn that you can get at Walmart. We also have these little pearl stickers. It's jewel stickers from Walmart or the Dollar Tree. Yeah, they're actually from the Dollar Tree. They're very cute. Also your glue sticks and your glue gun, and then we have 2 of the big poster boards from Dollar Tree. With these 2 poster boards, we're actually gluing them together. To make it a really long poster. A little corner of it. So we have our 2 poster boards glued together, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to be going from more inside, more in. So I'm not starting from the top corner, I'm going to start in, and then that's when you want to roll it up. And we're going to be adding glue to the end right here. You're gonna need a lot of glue to make it this long. And then what I'll be doing is cutting the bottom right here, and that's to make it straight and flat so that it could stand up on its own. And then we'll be painting it. Are we? We're not going to be painting. We'll be adding these. And wrapping it with our yarn. It's so cute. Okay. I forgot to also mention that another little tool that you're going to use, we're going to be using scissors today. And we actually did this already. We made our smaller version of these, and we made 4 of them. This is just like a tall one that can basically stand on its own. So with the yarn, we're actually adding yarn to the rim of the the bottom, well, we're gonna start from the bottom to the top, and we're gonna be wrapping the yarn around the entire cone, and we're using our glue gun for this. So as you can see, all the work that I did, I went ahead and took it off, and we're gonna be using this thicker yarn that we got at Hobby Lobby. It's called the Lion brand yarn, and it's a much thicker one. So it's going to around what we're going to do, because we found it was easier. We're going to be starting from the top and then just rolling it down to the bottom and keeping it close together so that there's no little spaces in between. And you can add the glue as you go with the hot glue. So this is a lot more than halfway, and as you can see with the thicker yarn, it is, well, you can't really see it from here, but it's a lot easier to do it. And also we just added glue on the top and just went down the bottom, and we'll be adding glue towards the end. And we're just wrapping it around throughout the entire cone. Christmas DIY, where we have our little cone that you can get from the Dollar Tree. They're $1 at the Dollar Tree. They also have them at Hobby Lobby, but it's cheaper at Dollar Tree, of course. We also have the fur decorative trim from Hobby Lobby. We have one little ornament that came in a pack from the Dollar Tree. Your glue gun, your glue sticks, and your scissors. So we have the fur trim, and we're gonna be starting from the top. What we're doing right now is adding some of the hot glue. So we're just wrapping it, and you want to wrap it just like perfectly so you don't really see that. You can just fluff it up as far as like the line there goes. And then whatever is hanging off, like right here, it's not even, you could just cut that off with the scissors. And that's what it looks like so far. Very easy, simple, and of course, affordable. And we're just fluffing it out, and that way you can't really tell that it's a fur trim. It looks like the entire thing has fur on it. And of course, the ornament is for our topper. Yeah, we'll be adding, after this is dry, you want to add a little bit, like cut a little piece of the fur to cover the top so you don't see any of the foam from the foam cone. These are the two little strips that we cut off from the fur trim, and we're just going to be gluing it to the top, and that way it's completely covered. We have this ribbon that we had gotten from Hobby Lobby, and we were able to get 50% off because of their 50% off Christmas sale. And then if you don't want to go to Hobby Lobby, you can get this ribbon from the Dollar Tree. It is a little more cheaper kind of, but it still would work, and it's still, you can make it look cute. And then you want to get as many as many of these little square glasses that you want, and of course your scissors, glue gun, and your paint sticks. Strips that, well, we cut out several ones like this, and what you want to do is you want to glue it to the back, and you want to do it very tightly so that it's not lifting up. And if you don't do it very tightly, you can always add glue right here in this area, in the middle. Yeah, and you want to center it also. So that looks about right.